Hi, I'm Mr. Lee. I am a Makerspace teacher at Luther Burbank Middle School, and hopefully, in during this time, our goal in this class is to do several things, three things. The first one is to develop craft and skill, and this is simply just to grow their abilities to be able to build and create things that they've never done before. Number two is to stretch and explore. This is to take creative risks and explore beyond what they're normally used to. And lastly, engage and persist. This is so that they don't give up, they embrace their problems, they struggle through it, and then they come out at the end. Our class is going to be graded this way. It's broken down into four different categories. The first one is craftsmanship. This is worth the bulk of the class, and this is the actual projects that we're going to be doing. Um, the second category is envision, and that's 25%, and that's showing evidence of their planning. So can they envision what the project is going to look like? The third is reflect, that's 25%, and we're always going to be reflecting after every project that we finish. And so hopefully they can write and reflect well and talk about what they've learned and what they had to struggle through. And the last characteristic is 15%, and that's the observations. And we're going to be doing some observations activities in class, and when they participate and turn those in, that will be counted for that part of the grade. The grading scale is not traditional. A lot of the teachers at Burbank use this grading scale. That's because we based all of our grades on a 4-point scale. So instead of grading things and getting 1 through 100, which is traditional, we give them either a 1, 2, 3, or a 4. 0, if you ever see that in their grade book, that means that they are missing that assignment. So if you are see a 0, your child or student can turn that into my class late with no penalties. So if you ever see a 0 in your child's work, please make sure that they get that done and turned in. Work habits and cooperation is very traditional. As long as they do the work and they respect themselves enough not to be disruptive in class or disruptive to others, hopefully everybody will be getting ease on that. All of my work is going to be posted on Schoology. If you don't know where that is, you could always go to www.lms.lausd.net and have your child log in, and you can see my class. I will be posting all of my assignments chronologically. The recent assignments are going to be up top, and you will see week by week folders. And as we complete the week, I will be placing all those assignments within the next folder. So always the newest assignment will be at the top. The very, very top is going to have a Zoom link, and that's the link that you will click to get into the Zoom. The second folder is going to be resources, where you can find all resources such as like my syllabus, where all this is going to be written, or like bell schedule and different things like that. And then the assignment should follow after that. If you have any questions for me about my class, you could always email me at this email address. I'm pretty good at responding to the email address, but if I don't, please give me a couple hours. I'll probably return your emails. Thank you so much. Please let me know if you have any questions, but I look forward to this year, even though it's been a crazy one. Thank you. Bye bye.